Hi, Mark Sarine, President of Flame Treating Systems. I'm here to introduce you to our latest generation spitting flame hardening machine. We're very proud of this machine. We have done a lot of things to improve it from the old machine. The very first machine that was built as a spitting machine was done by my father back in 1973. I'd like to walk you through some of these things that we've done to improve this machine. What we've added to this machine is a hydraulic spin motor. So what that does is now eliminate the two towers and the chains and sprockets, all that mechanical devices that can just be a maintenance nightmare after a while. Another change we made is moving the part lifting mechanism from the inside of the tank to the outside of the tank. Over the years, we found that the hydraulic lift table inside the tank was a bit of a challenge to maintain. So, by placing all the hydraulics outside the tank, all future maintenance is made much easier. What we've done with this machine that we have not done with any other spinning machine is use mass flow controllers. And what that does is it completely eliminates the old style flow meters that you have to look at and manual valves for controlling. Now all you have to do is just punch in the number that you want the flows to be on the touchscreen, and that's exactly the flows that you'll get. They will always be the same. You don't have operators changing the flows because they don't like the way the flame looks or whatever, so this will help not only in coming back to the same flows every time, but also during the process of flame hardening itself will be that much more consistent. So we're very proud of those particular adds to this machine. The highlights of this machine is optical pyrometer for measuring the part temperature. You have safety devices for the flame, the eye sensor that makes sure that the flame is on. You have a flow switch to make sure that the water is on. Quench temperature monitoring and controlling so that the temperature doesn't get too hot in the quench. We have a cooling. And so that if your temperature of your quench is too cold and you need to heat it up, we got a heater in there so that, and along with an agitation pump that keeps the water flowing around the part for even hardness. The dimensions on this particular machine, it can do a diameter up to 24 inches. The weight can be up to 1,000 pounds on this machine. Bigger machines that we can build like this can be higher in weight capacity and higher in diameter capacity too. And lastly, we're using a PLC along with a touchscreen, which then allows the operator to pretty much set everything he needs to set right there at the screen. If you need any of your parts flame hardened or would like to flame harden them yourself, give us a call.